Good evening, guys. We're actually trying to look at another organism which could actually infect the reproductive system of females, right? So this is the word Gardnerella vaginalis. So in this instance, we're actually looking at the Gardnerella vaginalis. There's different types of diseases that this organism can cause, right, in females. So for the Gardnerella vaginalis, these are some of the diseases. Okay, of course, the popular Bacterial Vaginosis. Okay, so we said that Gardnerella vaginalis primary causes what? Bacterial vaginosis. Okay, but it can also contribute to other conditions which we'll also look at them. So it can cause issues in females. That's generally normal females. Okay, that's what? Obstetrics. Then gynecology, right? Then females that are pregnant. Okay, that's obstetrics. So for the examples of disease conditions caused by the Gardnerella vaginalis, we have bacterial vaginosis. Okay, the primary disease caused by it. Okay, so this one usually occurs when the normal bacteria that should be in your reproductive tract are disrupted. So the Gardnerella vaginalis is the one that is now growing. Okay, anyhow. So symptoms is you're having thin gray-white vaginal discharge, strong fishy odor, especially after you have a sexual intercourse. So it could now predispose you to having other sexually transmitted diseases. Okay, so pregnancy-related issues, it could actually cause preterm rupture of membranes. It can cause preterm labor and delivery. It can cause postpartum uterine infections. It can cause your baby to be given birth to, and your baby has a low weight. Yeah. Okay. Then it can also cause what? Pelvic inflammatory disease, where there's inflammation of the fallopian tubes, the ovaries, you understand, the uterus, and the rest of them. Okay. Then post-surgical and postpartum infections. So it can be involved in infections following. That's like you can actually still get the infection after a surgery, like cesarean section, hysterectomy. Okay, then other surgeries that are basically performed for the female. So if you have a infection from the Gardnerella vaginalis, it makes you further susceptible to having infection from other microorganisms. So that's what we have for Gardnerella vaginalis.